You never want to just like this. Stuck up all night singing. Right, where's it? Here. There we go. Righty ho. Okay, welcome everyone. Just
Welcome.
down a little bit. There we go. Okay, good morning everyone. Ready to get into London session over here. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's first of all check for news over here. Let me just Okay, so wicked stuff. Right, so let's take a look at news just in case there's any news that we have to be worried about, but normally we're okay for the London session. Let me just put this on over here. I missed you. What, just now? Okay, so yeah, looks like news is okay for the time being. There's some later on for US, but apart from that, we're okay. So let's do our analysis on GJ over here. So the first thing you can see is that the daily time frame over here is bullish. It's actually closed strongly bullish now, kind of away from this zone, which is nice. It's looking a lot cleaner now, a bit above over here. Taking a look at the daily, it's also made the little lower wick as well, which is nice to see. The 4 hour, however, is looking a bit chalked, if I'm honest. The 4 hour is looking still rejecting a certain area at the top, which is painful to see. However, they're all bullish. A little bit of a pullback for the daily, but not too bad. Taking a look at the lower time frames on like the hourly, you can see the hourly over here is pretty horrendous. So pretty simple again. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. Yeah, so for me, it's probably best to take a trade above 155.200. When you get up to these highs over here, which would be 155.336, then you should expect price to continue bullish, and to continue back to the next zone, which would be like up here. Taking a look on the 30-minute, let's take a look at where would that be. It'd be here. So it's okay, it's like 30 pips up, not too bad. So we'll have to see. Yesterday it looks like we did retrace 130 over here, which is nice. Just a shame about the zone. I don't want to take any trades in here, but it looks like potentially now, maybe later on, we should get some trades above. But the same thing that's happened yesterday is that the daily time frame and the 4 hour flips are very, very close to price, which I hate because it shows indecision. But hopefully in the next 23 minutes or so we should get some kind of structure to go up somewhere. So yeah, big fonts, yeah. So we'll see. So let's mark this all up over here, like that. We'll put our buys above. Buys, oh shit. Buys above 155.215. So that would be pretty nice, I think, to continue bullish And then when we come to that little wick to the left over here, you should have stop loss to break even. You should have stop loss to break even at 288 anyway. But yeah, nice. So tasty to see your bookers in the morning when you know we are live. Mate, I'm ill. At least I'm here. So let's just move that there. Okay, wicked. So yeah, it looks like at the moment a lot of volume's coming in, which is nice. Take a look at the 30. 30 doesn't look that clean. However, the 15 does look like it's coming up over here, which is nice. Finally. Finally. We'll take a look at gold in a sec as well. But yeah, so gold was okay yesterday, and there's a lot of rejections towards the end of the day, but yeah. So how long have we got left of this 15-minute? Ooh, okay, we got quite a lot of time over here. 6 minutes left. This will be interesting to see if we can push above over here. That'll be pretty nice. And then maybe a trade before London Open, which would be interesting. So we'll have to see. I'm just gonna do a little bit of a trade somewhere here. Yeah, people in the mentorship at right around like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock UK time. The webinar will be coming out, which is good to see. And yeah, I had to postpone the simulation till tomorrow, which is grand. So yeah, 445 would be pretty nice to continue up. If we do break above there, let's take a look at where price could potentially go to as well. Let's take a look. So if we close back in this zone, we should fill the zone up. So 156 would be the biggest target. Take a look somewhere else. To the left hand side, when price came to this certain area, it also tapped 590 over here, which makes sense because it's on that support over here. So that would be TP3. And yeah, it looks pretty good. We'll see. Any 20 pip opportunities? Well, that's what you're gonna think to yourself. You know, if you get into a trade with a closure above over here to continue bullish, and then you come up to here, you could either take your 10 pips or you could try and hold it on to continue bullish. So yeah, but yeah, at the moment it is just trailing in this little range over here. For sells, yeah, it'd be quite hard for sells. I'd probably still want it below probably 155 level. So then continue back down to 15. Let's take a look on the 30. Yeah, like this area here should be 154.836. That's quite clean as well. So yeah, looks like Asian didn't move at all, which is good. That only means London's pretty good. Take a look at gold. Yeah, I'll take a look at gold as well. So, wow, let's take a look. Let's get rid of all this. Looks like the daily's coming down over here. It's exceeding the low of the previous. Pretty bearish in this daily candle. Nice to see. So daily flip, 4 hours coming down over here. So looking on the 4 hour, where should the 4 hour continue down till? Well, you can see over here, it probably will be here. So 1792. That's probably what makes sense. So let's take a look now. You can see on, let's take a look on the 30-minute and the 15. We've got a little bit of support over here. Let's take a look on the 15 to get more an accurate reading of it. Yeah. 1794.6 is where it looks like. Taking a look on the 30. 30 is closing in 17 minutes time. I think that'll be nice to continue back down then to 1792. Because you've got the hourlies with you. The hourlies is coming to hourly support this. You've got to probably wait for this hourly to close, in my opinion. But yeah, it looks pretty good for sells below 1794.7. Nice. So getting a 50-minute closure over here. Hasn't closed above, but looking good with a bit of volume coming, which is nice. Which is very nice. So yeah, it should be good for the next half an hour, next 15 minutes after this to close, which would be the hourly close. Take a look at gold. Yeah, gold is pushed down over here. I mean, an entry there would have been okay, expecting price to push down. Let's take a look on the 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minute was clean. 730 push. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 30 as well. Yeah, 30 looks nice. It is right close to support though, but yeah, interesting. Hourly rejected 1798 pretty hard. Let's take a look at GA as well. Hey Maxi, why would first TP for those buys in GA be the top wick to the left and not the candle body? The first TP will be 10 pips, so wherever that is, I'm just doing it for the zone. So yeah, it probably would be here. I'd put the TP right around. Yeah, it would have to be there because it would be 10 pips. This is not enough. This would be stop loss to break even. This would be stop loss to break even in this area, but for me I'd want to get that whole wick, to be honest, which would be the daily high of the previous, would it? Not. Yeah. Oh, it's the daily high of the current. Fucking hell, when did we do that then? Oh no. Yeah, it's daily high of the previous. Okay. Let me just do a little bit of an Instagram. But yeah, it looks like people who took trades yesterday or who did take trades, it was fine to not take any trades yesterday. I spoke to Ted about it, and Ted said, yeah, there's not many moves on certain things, so don't you worry about that. Ted was on Controller's stream yesterday. It was hilarious that people were on it. Ted was in buys here and everyone was trying to get in, and then it just did this. Then it came all the way back up at 8 AM Eastern, and everyone's like, what? It's hilarious. That's creased. Yeah, it looked like the buys there on a gold would have been quite nice, but I wanted, like, when this 30-minute closed bullish, I wanted to exceed the highs like here. Then it actually came down too far, exceeded the low, and then it came back up later. So I deleted it. I was like, nah, I'm gonna leave it. So yeah, look, see, no closure, so try not to get any impulses here because it is just in a zone. It's much easier to get in for the closure. Yeah, I'm excited for this hourly to close. I think it'll be nice there. Let me just do this. We are live now on YouTube. Make sure to come and watch us. Looking at gold sales, looking at GJ buys. So it should be good. The link is going to be here right now, so join now. There we go. Nice. Okay, how can I join Ted's stream? You cannot join Ted. Ted just join controllers. So coming down over here with that 15 looking nice. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully for the next hourly gives a little bit more of a push up first, and then we'll get a drive, which is good. And yeah, 12 minutes time for this GJ to sort itself out. Fucking hell, man, I still don't like this zone. It's bloody awful. So yesterday at London as well, I did say, take a look at the recap as well. It was coming up here with this rejection. I said you could have break even here, and it would have saved you quite nicely. So congrats if you got break even there yesterday, because it was tricky, man. tricky zone. Right, let's take a look at GA now. And you take a look at Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin, yeah, I was watching it yesterday and it was starting to break above. I was like, oh yes. I'll take a look at GU as well and try and think what Milan was looking for. So let's take a look over here. So daily bearish. It actually did that move that we were looking for yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at when it did it. 3 o'clock. That's a shame. And then they started to like range pretty hard on it. Yeah, that was a shame. We were looking for potential sells below this zone over here. So yeah, daily though over here is bearish, exceeded the low of the previous already. The 4 hours coming back up, so it's bullish. What do you see for the 4 hour time frames? Well, there's little wicks to the downside here, looking like it may be on a little bit of support. Let's take a look at the hourly. Hourly looks a bit rough, if I'm honest. Trying to match things up over here. You look on the 30-minute. Yeah, it doesn't look too nice. So for me, it'd be sells below potentially 189,460. Where would that come to then if you took a trade there to the lows? 11 pips. It's all right. A lot of wicks everywhere though. I'd probably want to just maybe wait for maybe 359. Let it sort itself out. And for buys, it's gonna have to get an hourly at least above this kind of area first to even think about buys, really. Like there. Yesterday afternoon I got out of power, couldn't trade all day. Oh, that's a shame. That is a shame. Damn. Let's take a look at Telegram over here. So everyone has marked up their charts just how I like. So let's take a look. Tom is looking for buys above 200. Looks like the same as me. Yep, looking good. You are looking for buying. So Green Bulls been sorry, this bar is looking for safer above. Oh no, sorry, Green Bulls is looking for safer above 289. Makes sense for sure. Yeah, if you're feeling a bit cautious of that 200 level, then you can just do it at 289. 445, beautiful target. That's what we looked at just then. Nice work. Pretty good, pretty good. Take a look at Louise as well. Yeah. Buys closure above at 300 or 200 level. Yeah. Target was 450 as well. Beautiful. Yeah, so by the time we get to 289, we had stops to break even more than likely, and volume would hopefully break that in. Resistance to the left. Yes. Beautiful. Really, really good. Good work there. Good charts. Everyone agrees, so pretty nice. But looking at it on the hourly perspective on GJ, it ain't giving me much. Why is that? Someone tell me. Someone tell me in the Zoom.
High and lows broken?
Yep. So the previous hourly, it exceeded
all those
the
wicks
high.
on both sides.
Yep. It exceeded the high and the low, and there's wicks everywhere. There's wicks both sides, so it's hard, man. GU still climbing nicely. My runner would have still been on if I left it yesterday. Wow. Let's take a look then. Wow, yeah, daily. Dailies came back up over here, so nice. Let's take a look. Right, so the daily time frame. Max, can you do a webinar on how to know when to hold trades or when to close full at 10 pips? Yep, I've already done that on my mentorship. I mean, I could do it for YouTube as well, but I'll do it later on, I think. We actually did a backtested session where there's a couple of examples of where to close early and where to hold. It was good, actually. It was very worth it. So yeah, GU look nice. I mean, you probably would want to get on the closure, or maybe you could have gone a bit lower. Where'd your stops have been? So if you got in like here, right? 8 pips. Expect it with the volume. Yeah, not too bad. But now look, the only issue I have with GU is where's it tapped? It has tapped the daily resistance here. So it could act as a bit of a resistance at that point. So yeah. So it looks like GJ tapped 155,200 and rejected pretty hard. So yeah, we've got to wait. Oh my god, if this is another day of waiting around, I swear to god. Painful. Just said my analysis of Discord, wicked stuff. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at Daniel over here. So, looks like you're looking for buys above 155,200. Yep, you're looking for 446, which is beautiful because that's exactly what we looked at, because that is where the support is before, which means that price could actually have that as a resistance now if it comes back up to it in this zone. Beautiful. And you're in like a nice bullish trend. It's just taking its time. It's just chilling. And then you're looking for sells below 100 as well, and then TP 850. Yeah, pretty reasonable. Pretty reasonable. Very, very nice. Also, people, I also uploaded a YouTube video yesterday just explaining certain areas that I don't like to trade on GJ, explaining what to look for, and there's great examples yesterday. So yeah, take a look at that. Pretty good. Pretty good. So yeah, so we will see. Let's take a look. Just share my Discord. So yeah, very, very slow start to the month. So the trades yesterday that potentially people would have taken was at support here, but for me, I just did not want to come back in this zone. I wanted to break the lows. I think if I played in this range, it would have hurt me more than if I was happy with, to be honest. So, and to be honest with you, if you got in there, yeah. So yeah. 14 probably would have got that. Thinking if you got in on this candle flipping there, you would have got to 9, maybe 10 pips, then it would have hit you out of break even. So I'd have been like, right, call that shit a day now. 30-minute looks nicer though. How was the stops there? Yeah. Still dropping a like. Oh, Louis in there, damn. So this listening channel for 4 hours, which sucks. Yeah, man. Gold sales might look good on closure. Yeah. Don't think at the moment with this 50-minute rejecting off it, but yeah, if it closes right there in the 3 minutes, that's the hourly closuring on support. Can you see? There's the hourly support there. So yeah, you gotta be careful. But yeah, right on that support that we drew, it's rejected off. So good zones to mark. If you see when you've got support lines and price comes to it and rejects off it, it looks like it shows that your lines are pretty good. Oh yeah. Hey, just wanted to know your video for best indicators is really cool. Yes, it's very, very good. I liked it. Thank you very much for that. Yeah, yesterday we got shouted out by Official Lind, which is good. So I think we've hit 2,500 subscribers now. Yeah, 2,500. Jeez, pretty good. Pretty good. GJ's still going up on the 50-minute view. Yeah, there's nothing for me yet. I gotta wait patiently. But normally we do see if Asian ranges, normally London's a bit more aggressive over here, which should be nice. So yeah, make sure to like the stream, guys, if you're chilling on beautiful February. So my trades for February, still nothing. Still waiting for a good setup. So yeah, still waiting. Still waiting. Nice setup over here. For a nice setup. Ooh, that retracement on GJ there was nice. A little bit of just tapping the low of the support, which is good. Big fonts on all charts. Ah, shit, yeah. I don't know why I wish I could default it to 24. Probably can. Okay. And yeah, potentially sells back below, but I just really would highly not like going back into this zone. I'm fucking hoping it's gonna come for buys. Template, just put where it says template.
Ugly 1 hour candle.
Yeah. Look at that. No, GJ. No. Could you check my previous question? Thanks. Okay. If you want to take a buy and there is a breakout on the 15, but in the 5 level the resistance is higher, do you enter based on the 15 or the 5? For me, on GJ, it would be the 15. If the 5 doesn't look too nice, then probably just be a bit more reserved and wait for like a lower wick and then a push. Yeah, it depends on where the stop would be. You should add back monthly losses and wins to your screen. Yeah, we can do that actually. On the other one, potentially. So yeah, 8 o'clock's opened over here. The hourly did close bullish, the 30-minute closed bearish, and the 50-minute closed bearish, 30-minute closed bullish. So kind of a mixed bag of results over here. So I've got to wait for a closure above. I gotta wait. So GU hourly close nice. Okay, the hourly close nice. Let's take a look on the 30 and 15. 30-minute retraced quite a lot over here. Yeah, the thing is, because I don't know how to trade it, I don't know how big the low wicks normally on GU. Is there big low wicks 8 o'clock? Is there not? If you got in just exceeding the high with stop losses below 11 pips. And then expect price to continue to the previous zone, which would be potentially up here, either there. There's a little minor support level on the 15. 1 second. Here. Which looks like it's going to tap right now. And that's what it tapped before. Yeah, interesting. So gold closed strongly bullish on the 15 minutes and 30-minute closed kind of weak. So yeah, I got to wait for a little closure below again. Just letting GJ do its own thing. But if it wants to be clean later on, then we're going to be happy to take it. So flipping the 30 again. Hopefully a nice little push towards the upside soon in 12 minutes time or so, and then we can get ready. Oh So which prop firm did you pass and what size? I think Lynn mentioned it yesterday. I didn't do a prop firm. Well, I did do a prop firm. I didn't have like the account size. Well, sorry. So I had Fun and Talent. I used a 25k account, but I used their bi-weekly payouts as the leverage. I didn't really care about the live account because I knew it was kind of bullshit anyway. But I used their bi-weekly payouts as the income. Did that for like 8 months, 9 months. So it worked well. Do you think gold is making its daily bottom wick to then continue bullish in NY? Let's take a look over here. I mean, potentially, yeah. I mean, it has exceeded the low of the previous, but gold doesn't really care about things like that. Yeah, I mean, it'll be interesting to see this 4 hour because this is the zone that it's kind of close, still above on that 4 hour, the previous one. So if this one wicks up and closes back above, then yeah, it does have good probabilities to continue back up for sure. Exceeded lows. Do you mean on the daily? So GU's coming back up over here. My only issue would be that 15-minute, a little bit of a resistance there. But if it pushes through it with London Open, then you should be good. If you got in a bit earlier on, you should be nice. But yeah, that 15 might have touched you out over here. That came out of nowhere, damn. Oh, I need to watch today as well. The new Boba Fett's coming out. Yes! It's actually out now. I want to see what the... One second. I want to see what the... Oh, I watched some of The Office last night. Holy shit, it's hilarious. I didn't think I would like channel things like that, but god damn, it was fucking hilarious. Every single episode's a banger. Like, it's just so funny. I don't know how they come up with that. Chapter 6. Oh, it doesn't say like the thing. That episode there, chapter 5, make sure to watch that. She was fire. Looking good. Have you watched Gangs of London? No, I've not. US or UK? I watched the US one because it was a bit more like up to date. Like it wasn't like really old, and I'm just like a stupid Gen Z for about that. But I will watch the UK one after now I get it. Like one of the characters in it, oh, what's he called? Dwight. Like just one of my flatmates from like 3rd year was just so much like him in like just the socially shit way, like not like the gullible way that he is, but just fucking retarded. You trade NFTs? No, I think NFTs is a fucking massive scam for a lot of people. The only people that are making money from it are people who've got more than 1 million followers on Instagram. Bro, The Office is literally real life. Yeah. Oh, it's great. It's so good. Make money and dip. Yeah, it's just. I don't know. I just don't like it. Like it's just like. Are they really going to be that important? Like when you're older, it doesn't have anything to do with it. The only things that are keeping the money up is the ego and like the what's it called? Like showing that you've got like a crypto point. Great, but apart from that, if you're like an average person, you've got a couple like spare £100 or £1,000, you know, and you put it into a one that's a bit lower, like a lower like tier one, you're not going to get shit from it, unless one of the guy like FaZe Banks or you know, fucking one of the big dogs on like YouTube says that's a good project. You're pretty fucked. Yeah, exactly. It's funny because like all this like YouTuber stuff, obviously they've got a big platform, so whatever they do, Like, loads of people are listening. It's like, you know, KSI was talking about crypto, and he's like, yeah, I love crypto, and like, all this stuff, and he's like jizzing about it and stuff, and he doesn't actually know fuck all about crypto. You know, he knows the bare minimum, which is what everyone's basically knows. If you get taught it in uni, I got taught at uni, like, the actual fundamentals of it, but he doesn't really know, like, you know. And then, now he went leverage trading on crypto, and he lost 5 million quid. So he's basically trying to trade like what we do, but on like crypto with leveraging. So he's using the company as leverage, and then he lost it. Yeah, 5 million. And he goes, yeah, I fucked up. He clearly was just trying to buy the dips on cryptos right now, and obviously that didn't work. Especially with leverage trading, holy shit, you gotta know what you're doing, or you gotta be a big whale and have a lot of crypto behind you, like, holy shit. Let's take a look at where it actually continued to yesterday. Okay, so yeah, I drew this line over here on the 4-hour time frame. It was actually going to be there. That's where the resistance is. This is what we need to break. 39137. I tried to do it today at 4 o'clock, yesterday at 4 o'clock, and could not. Yeah, like the Nelk boy. That's the thing, isn't it? I got who was it? Like Tory Lanez. He like put out his like album or some shit to do with his like new music on cryptos. He made a bunch of money on it, and then the people who have like what they wanted. It was only like it wasn't expensive, so that was kind of cool. I kind of get that for like musicians and such. They don't need like a what's it called, a record label or whatever. Yeah, $1 it was, wasn't it? Yeah. Oh, GJ's coming down over here. Make it easier for me, please. Fuck. Oh. The gold is chilling. Thinking about it now, we may actually just, you know, chill in this fucking zone until the news comes out on interest rates tomorrow, which would be a pain. So we'd have to just look at gold for NY, I think. Trying to catch falling knives, good strat. Yeah. Well, we've all been there, but like obviously he's just got a lot of money. So like, you know, when we were moving our stop losses on GJ when it was flying down and you thought it was going up, he was moving his stop loss on fucking Bitcoin with a fucking 10,000 lot or some shit. So now, right, this is the thing, right? You gotta say to yourself, GJ's coming down. The 15-minute is coming down over here. Taking a look at the higher time frames, right? The 4 hours bearish. It's exceeded the low of the previous. It's rejected a high, which seems reasonable. The daily is just bearish. It's pretty close to the daily flip, so it's not a good strong area, which is another thing which is, you know, annoying me. If you actually take a look at that video I posted yesterday, where to avoid, this is looking like an avoid. Because price is just so close to the dailies, the 4 hour flips. There's no clear direction. So it's hard to kind of guess of where things may go, because the higher time frames don't know where things are going. So how are you going to know? The higher time frames have been on for a full day, well, not a day obviously, but they've been on for a long time, and all it's done is moved a little bit up. Like, you know, it's moved up 10 pips and then 10 pips down. It doesn't know where to go. So for me, it's a hard thing. It's a hard lesson. It's a hard bit for challenges. It's a hard thing for signals, because I can't do any because it's in such a shit zone. But you can't do much about it. I'd rather sit and not take any trades than take a losing trade in a zone which I don't feel comfortable with. So take a look on the hourly. This is the zone we're in, from here to here. Okay. So it could trade in there. Amazing. If we break below 155.043. We can come towards 154.906. But it is in the zone again. So yeah, very, very hard. So look at this, GU tapped that zone again, rejected. So yeah, got to be careful there. For sure, break even when you come to 153.400 level. I think that was nice. Is there any news today? No, but it's tomorrow. So the big news for GBP is tomorrow, 12 o'clock. So yeah, that is going to be the... Max, you prefer sells than buys, right? Less sell. Yeah, I do prefer sells. Let's invert this chart again. Boom. So take a look over here. If this was the other way around, yeah, you'd want closures above 155.041 to continue to that next zone, wouldn't you? But look at it. I don't know why. This just looks nicer to just show that it's just in a range, man. It's been god awful, but like genuinely writing in your journals for this time, in this little section of price moving garbage, you know, it's really, really useful. Really, really useful. I can't wait to see some clear zones. God dang, my eyes are killing me. So yeah, hourly closed above actually this as well, the support, so mad. I do think buys maybe later on would be pretty decent, as long as this 4 hour closes above 1798.6. And you get the daily flipping back and filling that wick up. That'll be pretty good. NFT is essentially a massive scam, yeah. Hey, since you have time to... Hey, since we have time, so care to explain significance of daily flips. You know, I think daily flips, people get like worked up on it. It's really just showing you when the daily, which is the highest time frame you can look at really in the day, in the intraday level, is changing direction. Okay, so if you have a daily time frame that looks like, so for example, if we woke up this morning and the daily was like this, right? It's good confirmation that the daily is bullish, right? Because it's a strong candle, it's exceeded the high of the previous, and it's a nice thick candle with good momentum. It's got direction, it's easy to take a trade. It'll be very, very nice to get some buys here looking at the lower time frames. When the daily flip is right at where the price is, it's literally showing you the indecision, okay? It's showing you the indecision of the day. So if you're struggling to find where direction is going to go, and the daily's struggling, it's giving you a big warning sign of going, right, you should just back off over here. Until we either, you know, we either reject here and then NY, maybe take some sells, or we then sort itself out in the next couple hours and we get a bit higher and then take the buys up here. But yeah, the daily flip is just showing me when I'm in the lower time frames where the daily's at. You can see right now it's literally right at price. It's holding 155-100 level nicely. Is it better when price is a bit further from the flips or nearer? Further away, yes. I want price to just leave the 155s. Yeah, me too. Like, me too. Freaking begging, please. Yeah, that move yesterday was alright. It was just this wick anyway. It would have wicked me out at like 9-10 pips anyway, so I'm not too asked. What do you think about all that rejection to not keep going up on GJ? Yeah, it's a worrying thing, and this is why I'm waiting for a closure, man. Because it'll be past all them wicks, it'll be strong. Can you see what the 15 and the 30's doing though? It's actually easy to see it on the hourly there. Let's tap in this zone, 155.050 again. So no, it is looking good. It potentially continues. Just take its time. For GJ, for me, no trade range. Yeah, this range here for me is no trade range, but above would be, I think. Euro USD, send me a chart, I'll take a look at it. I won't buy, yeah. 116 people in here, wicked stuff. But yeah, make sure to do check out that YouTube video. The vlog is coming also on Friday. Nice little vlog. You see me playing around with my mates and having some nice pizza and shit.
I've got one eye on GA at the moment, Max. It looks like it's coming up.
Let's take a look.
There's like a little zone that I've got marked. I'm sort of waiting for a closure above. It's just slowly creeping its way back up.
Yeah.
Flip the daily.
Is it there? Is it 1.8? Is it 189,800 or 780, or is it 189,740?
I went below. I think I've got it at 189,726 is my zone to break above.
Okay, 726. Yeah, so just here. Yeah, that was up at 1 o'clock. Yeah, pretty reasonable. I mean, the only issue is how far is that from this little resistance there? 4 pips away.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about, because it looks, everything above that doesn't look too bad. It's just that little shitty thing on the.
Yeah.
There.
Let's take a look on the left hand side over here. Yeah, 730 would be above actually here as well. But yeah, for me, I'd probably just wait another 4 pips or so. But yeah, it does look like it is starting to come back up, which is nice. The 4 hours exceed the high of the previous. The daily's rejecting the lows. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Potentially with a closure. See in 10 minutes time. It's a choppy situation, monies. Yes. But I can't stress it enough, man. Like these times are so important. They don't happen often, like over a period like 4 days. But sometimes they do, and like being able to just sit back and chill is the way to go. You'll see a lot of people getting hit pretty badly through these. So you see over here, price just came back up and then flipped down. So you gotta just stay sane and just go, you know what, I'm gonna chill. You know, you could maybe have the stream on and you play on your games. You know, just to chill out, get some breakfast.
Yeah, if there's ever a time to blow your account, it's in these fucking shitty ranges.
Fucking true. So true. Exactly. It is, you know, like, I remember, like, especially, like, the times where I was, like, blowing accounts. I'd finish the day blowing the account, and I look back, and I literally would have been like this. I'm like, what the fuck was I doing? Like, why wasn't the 50-minute flip
100%.
valid on GJD? Okay, so David is saying, why wasn't the 15-minute flip valid? So do you mean this 15-minute flip? Do you mean for sells or for buys? That's when you know price is ranging. I don't even know what you're looking for. Does it fit?
What's your take on gold at the moment, Max? Looks like that's rejected the lows as well.
Yeah.
Pretty hard.
Yeah, it's actually coming back above 1799.6. I mean, taking a look at the 4 hour, it's lit the 4 hour as well. Taking a look at the 15, there is a resistance level here. Potentially a closure above 1799.6 would be pretty good, I think. In 8 minutes time, could be potential. So if you got in like here, where would stops be? Yeah, 23 pips. Because it's rejected pretty hard, but it is in this zone. But I do feel, especially with the daily closing bullish yesterday, we've retraced pretty hard already. So yeah, I'm pretty bullish on Goldie today. 30 minutes closing 8 minutes time. Looks like it's closing above this little minor resistance. Got a little one to the left here in this level, but yeah, buys above 1799.5 or 6 would be pretty good. Because that would go with this. I wouldn't want to get in below 1799.6 because of this rejection there. I wonder when Ted's gonna drop into your gulag, Max. Ted isn't up at this time, man. He's in fucking... He's asleep. He's Canada, isn't he?
That was the funniest shit, just watching him roast everyone in Controller's chat last night. I was losing it.
That was hilarious. That was very, very funny. I'm going to go back test that thing, though, because you said it so many times now, and actually most of the moves that we do take were at 1 o'clock with the push, but my guy had full faith of that. Holy shit. Like, it was plummeting. It dropped like 40 pips. He goes, nope. This shit's going to reverse. It's like, he's fucking there, like, oh my god.
He's got balls of steel, that bloke.
Yeah, with no stop loss as well. Fuck. So why was
I wonder what his acceptable risk is. Like, I wonder to Ted, like, what is, obviously doesn't have a stop loss, but surely if it's down like 100 pips or 110 pips, like, where does he call it?
Yeah, I think
He'll have like a monetary loss in mind.
Yeah, I think he he did a live stream last night, and he talked about this zone. Wait, so how far did price move before it ran yesterday? Yeah, 'cause he talked about here. He talked about 1805 as a really, really key level, but was it on the 30 minute? Yeah, I don't fucking have a clue. Maybe a bit lower down.
It was on the 5 minute max.
Yeah, the thing is though that 12:55 the candle closed below. Like, I would not want to be in that, and then it dipped down even further. Maybe it's closure back in this whole region in here. And you got the push back up. Yeah, interesting. Interesting. Ooh, GU now coming up. Beautiful. Yeah, thing is, a GU is the 15. The 15 is noise. It's the 30 that seems to work on GU. And the thing is on GU is that your stops are actually not that bad either. So if you just got in when that low wick was made here, stop loss like 5-6 pips. Yeah, that ain't too bad. So past that zone now, it's coming towards the next zone, which is here. So it should fill this back up to the highs over here. Very nice. Oh, yes! Get your ass up, GJ. Four minutes left. Beautiful. Rejected them lows hard. Holy shit. So that is the second time it's done that. Max smoking trees on stream, no ketchup. 4 minutes left. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I really want this 30-minute to close, man. Above, that would be pretty nice. Oh, that's good, actually. Ah, they've recorded all his lives. That's sick. What, they just put it on YouTube? That's great. Oh, GA blasted through that motherfucker. Damn. That's closing in 3 minutes as well. Three minutes time. So looks like pretty decent volume coming. Oh, GG, no.
Oh, gold as well, Max. Gold's up.
Yeah, gold's looking nice, actually.
Fucking hell. What's the bet? 3 set up. We take the 1. It doesn't work. Oh,
to be fair,
sorry.
they
I'm not even going to say.
They didn't set up. I mean, GA just ran off. I'm not fucking taking a trade like that. gold is closing above, which is reasonable.
Go gold. Get up there, boy. Oh. All run
Nice.
off without us.
So 2 minutes left for little Goldie to close above as well.
Finally, looks like we're getting some decent volume, and we might actually break some ranges, which would be fucking good.
Would you consider gold buys? Yeah, if it closed above 1799.6 on the 30, because there's 30 res there. Oh, don't say it too late. No. Oh, GG. GA just fucking launched. Damn. People who did sells are sad now. What is that on? Instead, GUs are good. Mate, GU, this past like two weeks has been fucking delicious. Normally it's absolute garbage. Yeah, it's kind of done that move over here. Can't Bitcoin get past 39200, please? And there we go. GJ just completely fucked everyone who tried to get into them impulses again. There's another example, man. I know some people there would have been running them buys up there. Damn. Ooh, nice. This is looking good. Doo-doo.
Do I like this gold, Max?
Yeah. I'm just getting this little shit up over here.
Sweet, man.
Right, okay, Goldie, finally, nice closure. So where do you want to get in, on the flip or the low? I think the flip would be pretty nice. Oh, it's only a 6 pip stop. That ain't too bad at all. $1799.920. I think on the flip and exceeding the high would be pretty good, to be honest. 8:30, perfect volume time. I'm going to change the stop as we go along, but this is making a nice little wick for me right about now. So, I'd want to get in on exceeding the current high, which is at 177.990. 179.990. Beautiful work. Stop is going to be on the low it's creating right now. So we've got a closure back above. We've got the higher time frames starting to push back above, which is good. And the 30-minute closed above the resistance there. So yeah, looking pretty good. On the highs, it's 10 pips. Yeah, I don't think this will be the low yet. Let's take a look over here. 12 pips, 20 pips. GU played out nicely. 16 pips. Nice work. Nice work. Yeah, I'm happy with that entry, especially with this closure. So yeah, wicked stuff. Let's take a look now. So price would be like 12 pips over here. This is a good thing, waiting for a lower wick as well. If it wants to fake out over here, that's good as well. We'll have to see. But now if price wants to come in, retrace back up over here and push back, it's really rejecting the zone it's going to be leaving and then pushing back up over here.
Looks like it's tapping that previous bit of
Yep.
resistance there, doesn't it?
Yep.
Come on, baby. Let's get one. Get one back in the bag.
That's the zone that I'd want it to tap. Yeah, that's pretty nice. $1798.7. So 1798.65. Gold really does respect structure. Yeah, that's beautiful. It's exactly where I'd want it to tap as well. Should be goody. Very nice, very nice. You trading or not trading? I don't understand. I've got a buy stop here. I am trading. It's not activated. Oh, GG. So coming back to the daily flip would be nice. 20 pips at this high. That's where I want to hit this. Oh shit, my monitor just went off. Is it because I've been playing with the plugs? Yes, it has. Why do we even mark the daily flip? Does it provide resistance or support? No, it just shows that at the moment I can look at the 15-minute and know exactly what the higher time frames are showing. I can see that the 4 hour is bullish, the daily is bearish, but it's about to flip in, you know, a couple of pips or so. Gives you that extra confidence. Gives you that extra confidence. Waiting, no, I'm waiting for price to come back up. So a buy stop means when it comes to a certain level, it will take a trade. So when price will do this, if it does this, sorry, like there, it'll enter me, and then when I do this, you'll see me do this. And there you go. So see, now we'll come back to the zone, see how it respects it over here. But a nice 30-minute closure. I ain't in a rush. The 30 minutes still looks delicious to continue bullish. Not trading GJ till next month. What? It's fucking February. You just started it. But yeah, this is chalked, man. Don't trade this shit. I think better buys would be on the next 30 minute. The 30 minute has got 23 minutes left. It's quite a lot of time. I think it should be okay over here. If not, it'll be grand. Come on, Bitcoin, get pumping. Another daily close bullish though, but you know what is this looking like? It's just creeping up a little bit, but it isn't giving me much. Let's take a look over here. It's coming down, coming to retrace. Oof. I hope not. I hope it does something like this. Hopefully. Let's just take a look over here and put my zones on. So if gold does want to continue up, it should fill this zone up. Still like a 12 pip stop for a 22 pip gain. Taking a look on the 30. Yeah, this could be quite nice. Yeah, sorry about my fucking nose, guys. Holy shit. Let me just write my TP1 then. So TP1 is going to be right around 10-12 pips if you fancy taking it off, which would be at that daily flip, which would be interesting. 6 minutes left. If this 50-minute candle closes bearish back below in this zone again, then I'm probably going to leave it. Still 6 minutes is quite a lot for gold. It's got a lot of time to sort itself out. So if hourly finished above this resistance, then better entry would be on the next hourly. Yes. So tap the zone again. But as I say, if this 15 does close like very strongly bearish, then I will leave it. It is based on the 30-minute though, and the 30-minute is still looking okay. It hasn't exceeded the low of the previous, so it's just chilling. If it does want to flip back up here, we should get a nice push to the next zone as it's closed above. So I'm going to have to move my stops again on the lows when they're formed, but at the moment there's no rush. So yeah, it looks like GJ is still just playing over here. It is probably just waiting for the news tomorrow, if I'm honest. It's what normally happens before. We took a look at like the last time they did the interest rates, which was on the 16th of December, and price did range the day before, so ours has been ranging clearly for a long time, but still. Ooh. So coming towards this zone over here again, see how it reacts on it. But still 30 minutes, still reasonable, and the stop is still okay. 16 pips. Where the fuck is it? Oh, there. Yeah, this is a good thing, you know, waiting for the lower wick to form is a really good way to avoid fake outs. 15-minute has got 3 minutes left. We'll see. If it closes weak bearish, then I'm probably going to still keep it on because it's based on the 30-minute. But if it does close back back below, you know, this area, then I'll probably just leave it over here. Oh my god. Oh my god, GA. He's on some next level shit. Coming towards this minor resistance over here there. GA and GU, goddamn. Ooh. Was there any warning signs to get out there? Nothing really. 30 minutes still open, 17 minutes left. If it closes back, we can try a sell. Back to the zone setup, isn't it? No, because the issue is that it's only closing on the 50 minute. The 30 minute is still open. The 30 minute is still open. So, you know, this could be just making the low wick of the 30. GA is the one today. Yeah, nice. Look at that. So people trying to take the sells here or the buys here, you'd be done, man. Jeez, if you just played the range here, just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Damn, boy. Let's take a look then. 2,515. Sheesh. $27, bro, rolling in that shit. So 50 minutes closing over here, pretty strong for me if I'm honest, and it's closing back below, which is a shame, but look, nice to continue, made a nice little wick. It may still do it on the 30 minute if I'm honest, but for me it's probably not the best now because that 50 minutes closed back below that zone. Delete. Buy stops. And there you go, really, really good example. Waiting for the lower wick and then you don't get faked out. So let's delete that over here, and there we go, beautiful. Thanks. Oh, Dr. Dollar's in the building. Good luck tonight. Thank you, my boy. GJ is messing, bro. Have you been looking at them GJ buys? I'm like, fuck, they need to come up a bit more, man. So rangy. To be fair, Dr. Dollar, you've been, because you've done more, you know, using you know, the indicators and stuff to guide you. GJ actually hasn't been that bad in the terms of like just getting in the lows and riding that bitch back up, but for closures, oh my god, like there's literally been none. It's been mad. Yeah, it's been so hard. Yeah, go check out Dr. Dollar as well. He's a good lad. Yeah, stop loss too big, and also just for gold, a 15 closing there for me just put me off that. Let's get rid of them. But yeah, you gotta stay disciplined, man. But as I say, like, you know, with me and Dr. Dollar, you know, with our students and stuff, we're showing people, you know, when there isn't a trade to take, just there is no trade to take. You can't change it. You gotta just chill, have a good time, relax, and when it comes back again, so it should be good. Only last week was a fake out, yeah. Yeah, it looks like GU and GA have been the ones, man, recently. Holy shit, GJ's been ass. GA's been just trending quite nicely. Fuck, that 30 minute there looked nice, but yeah, I don't trade GU. Thanks for good work. It's my first here. I'm learning cool stuff. Wicked, man. Thank you very, very much. Make sure to subscribe if you're new as well. Me and Dr. Dollar, I'm gonna go fly to Miami soon. I'll do it this year and come see the boys. That'll be sick. Come see the Savage Squad. Get some tan on me, bro. Yeah, I'm really wanting this Bitcoin to start rallying so I can fucking sell it and get out of crypto forever, man. Stop loss minus is all you need. Yeah. Oh, I got shouted out as well, man. I got shouted out on official Linge, man. I'm gonna message her today. Actually, she's fire. Yeah, I think it was yesterday, just before she left.
Low price action trader. I love the explanations. Why would you think that I'm gonna change my candlesticks to black and white just for you only? Just for you only. Bruh, you got your own chart to change the colors on, right?
But she's such a vibe, man. She's eating popcorn and she's just vibing. That's sick, man.
I don't know how they couldn't hear you over the music.
Like she says it, yeah.
Hey, stop loss matters. What's up? I see you. Look, y'all do me a favor. Before we leave the stream here, I need y'all to check out Stop Loss Matters.
That's fucking nice, man.
Very well priced action trader. I love the explanations. Killing it over here. So y'all do me a favor.
Yeah, she freaking pull it up. Jeez.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
She's fire. She's dead nice, man. If you got NY session, she does some fire trades. Ooh, GJ breaking below over here. That's a nice 30-minute as well. Yeah, 11 minutes time. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Because we rejecting hard. Oh, look at gold. Gold's coming. Gold's coming. 17 pips stop. Look at that 5 minutes. Oof. Oof. 10 minutes left of this 30-minute. I saw my crypto moved into Forex. Nice. Yeah, man. Crypto's interesting one. Probably not the best time to sell right now, but I don't know. It could be sitting that and it runs down another fucking 80%. Yeah, I'm not going to use any 5 minutes. I think it would just be a bit risky for me, especially that 15-minute closing like that. I mean, even the 30 pip stop, the 30-minute stop, 17 pips isn't even that bad for a 20 pip gain. What's your opinion
about if? Oh, sorry.
No, Finn, yeah.
I was just going to say, if the hourly came back and closed above, would you still have another crack?
Yeah, probably if the hourly did, yeah. 9 minutes left, though. We'll have enough time. We shall see.
Why is it so slow?
Finn's getting the shakes.
Was it like this last year?
Well, we're going to find out in the simulation tomorrow, but I don't think so. It's just certain times, man, when interest rate... I really think it is to do with the interest rates, man, because that's the only thing that could come to my mind. Anyone watch the new Boba Fett? No, I'm watching it later on today. Just how price is moving, man. Just very, very slow. Very, very slow. So for me to only enter these cells, it's got to be absolutely to the T, man. It's got to be, you know, a closure below. It's got to be nice, solid closure. It's got to have a nice wick rejecting the highs. Give me a nice 10 pip stop and then a drawdown, a drop down. I ain't taking no impulses or quick trades, especially with GG acting like it is. Okay. Is your buy stop still on or wait for the hourly close? Wait for the hourly close now. Yeah. I doubt now. You know, 8 minutes left. Is it going to close above? We'll have to see. Is it a good one? Have you just watched it now? Is it better than the one before? Is it better than episode 5? Oh, yes! I'm such a fucking fat nerd, man. GA mooning. Mate, GA is fucking on something. Mate, the Aussies, bro. Finn, why don't you tell me this news? The Aussies clearly pushing this bitch up. It's probably...
I wish I fucking knew. Should have taken that last one. Damn, got 20 pips right now. Fucking Australia, stupid fuckheads.
Your government has said you probably need to have COVID 18 boosters now, not 4. What is their whole like fucking fetish with booster, like fucking COVID? Like, if you die from 4 fucking boosters, holy shit! Like, what the fuck?
A load of bullshit. It is a load of
mad.
shit.
It's like they've got nothing else to do.
You watch Ted's Insta stories about... He is so anti-vax.
I know.
Thinks anyone's a fucking retard to get vaxxed. What a champ.
Look at GJ, will we break? That is the question. It's coming back down to the support of the lows, but been in a trade for hours. You've been in sells, bro? Are you in buys? I don't even know, man. Fucking the 4 hour on the daily does not show me anything. Apart from the 4 hour now, I mean, the rejection is good. But to be honest with you, I'm praying for these buys to get out of this fucking zone. Anton says short exposure GJ. Ah, yes. Mate, if this closes above here, I ain't taking that shit, man. I'm not taking silly trades. Dr. Dollar, I didn't even want to say, bro. If I had to guess what Dr. Dollar was in, using what you suggest, let's take a look over here. She's giving me a headache. I thought maybe earlier on you may have taken a buy there with this 15-minute closing bullish with some. I don't know where your stops would be, but I don't know now. I have no idea now, bro. Stop loss. Do you have a barcode strategy, lol? Yeah, bro. Just scan that shit in to the supermarket. You get some coupons. That's how you make your money on ranges. Just fucking scan that bitch. Get some coupons off the supermarket. Oh, what does Dr. Dollar say for supermarket? Our grocery store. Why the fuck did we say supermarket, actually? Why the fuck did we call it supermarket, actually? Yeah. Grocery stores.
Groceries, mate.
Yeah, grocery store is actually probably more like, yeah, it's kind of what it should be.
Oh, I think we just need to abandon London session because the UK time is fucking shit. Oh, GJ's finally coming down.
10 pips on the high of the previous.
Patience. There's no such thing. Fuck me, you can't.
You factual get a discount. Yeah, man, fuck. Where is it? You're out of gold buy stops? Yes, I am. Even though looking pretty good now with the hourly closing above. Potentially in 3 minutes time. Oh, GG's looking a little bit better now over here with a nice closure.
Thank you very much for reading the stuff down here.
Oh my god. Someone is in a classroom over here.
Looking like it. Looks like gold. Might fucking close back above too.
Fucking mute yourself in, dickhead.
Nah, he's talking. It's true.
Oh
It's
fuck!
true.
Sorry, I was talking to Ben in Discord. Fucking hell, Jim.
GG better not go off before this close. Well, with GG's track record right now, you just jinxed it, bro.
Hopefully GG actually closes down there, Max. It's actually below that a bit of
Yeah,
resistance
it's
there.
a nice candle, bro.
Come on, mother. Sorry.
So if you got in right now when the 15 closes with this 12 pip stop on the high, ain't too bad to be honest. We shall see. 30-minute is closing below. Stop loss is big on GJ. You gotta wait for a top wick then, don't you? Oh no, the last minute of the candle's gonna drop 10 pips, we know it. GJ. Oh my god. I thought I just launched then, I was like, hell no, boy. Oh, is it gonna retrace all the way back up? No. Gonna retrace the no wick. Ah, people are putting in their predictions. So, hourly's opened over here. Nice work. It's closed below. Pretty good. Just gonna wait for a nice little top wick over here. If it doesn't give me one, I'm not asked. To be honest. Looks like it's not gonna give me one. Beautiful. Exceeding the lows now. Beautiful. Nice. Still no entries for me on GJ. Beautiful. GU closing back below, and gold did not close above. That's a shame. GJ is $100 hole right now. Mate, is Dr. Dollar in buys? Oh no, you're in sells. Would you consider trading US 30? Probably not. 4 days, not one trade. Yep. Just being rangy, boy. Rangy. I need that rejection to the top, especially with this shitty range. I'm not playing with a crappy zone over here. Make a bigger top wick, you pussy. Come back up to here. Wick's been made. Yep. I'd prefer a bit of a higher one, to be honest, than getting on exceeding the low right here, 980. Right, okay. Beautiful. Okay, so I've put his sell stop now. It's made the top wick now. If we get the rejection and the flip and exceeding the low of the current candle, I will be taking a trade over here. Why the fuck can I not take a trade there? Oh shit, that's why. Beautiful. Made a top wick over here. It's the start of the hourly. Beautiful stuff. The higher it goes, the better for me, because it'll show the rejection to the next range at the top over here. If you get to the drop down now, exceeding the low of the previous, we should be good. Exceeding the low for me is actually 973, so I'm gonna change that over here. 3. Stop is gonna be, I'm gonna probably guess 0.80. So if price does want to continue back up over here, oh shit. Oh no, yeah, it's fine. Then that's great. I won't get faked out. Beautiful. Using current candle, yep. Don't consider the 50-minute support. No, especially with this hourly closure and the 30-minute closure, we should come back and fill the zone at least to 154.898, which is 10 pips away. There's a little minor here, that's okay as well, not really too asked about that. We shall see. So making the top wick just like I like, so beautiful. You can see the low now, the probability that we do continue there after making this hourly top wick is good. Let me just do some target zones. I think I've randomly put them on, so let's take a look on the hourly. Yeah, 890, 89 would be nice. That's a 10 pips over here. Then furthermore down, we'll be looking at 830, or you could potentially get it to 766. I may put TP2 at 766. I'll close 80% at 10 to 12 pips, I think, on this trade, because we're coming back in the zone. I'll see how fast it pushes down, and then we'll decide how far we should run it over here. Milan, do not put me off this trade. I like it. Oh, I'm never going to take a trade ever again. As long as you get the top wick and the rejection that we've closed below, it should be good. The hourly is looking nice as well. I like it. I'm not looking at the traffic as much. I'm looking at the actual strength of the candle. If, however, this 15-minute just close back above, then I'm leaving it today. Because what it's doing is GJ is coming back into this zone over here now. Now, if price wants to continue back and it's going to be a fake out, this price should continue back in the zone. If we start flipping and exceeding, it's really rejecting this zone to then continue into this new zone over here. You get me? And that's how it is. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you're chilling here waiting patiently for some moves. Let's take a look at gold. Did it continue? No, not yet. The 15-minute, however, did close bullish. Gradually moving up over here. Do, 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 do. 127 people in as well. Jeez, people are in at 9 AM, man. Damn, people are getting up. People who are late from sleeping in. There's 8 minutes left. You know, towards 7 minutes, we do like it starting to flip and push. So that's good. Still enough time in the candle. If you take a look at on the hourly is just making the top wick over here. It's coming to this resistance zone as well. So yeah, if this does flip, we should get a candle that looks like that. See you guys on NY session. Thank you. Good luck too. Good luck to you too. No, GJ. bigger the top wick for me, the better, to be honest, because it really shows a rejection. As long as obviously it doesn't close back in or exceed the high of the previous, is okay right now. Yeah, so GU got that 30-minute bearish. That's probably the end of that move for the time being. The hourly is also closed bearish, rejecting, closed below the 3.8 level that I talked about. Yes, Bitcoin is on the move. It's made the low wick of the daily. Now flip that boy. Flip it. Take a look at the lower time frames on. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Ooh, starting to reject that zone, which is nice.
The 5 minute looks good.
Yep. Yep, just like we wanted to, like the for sure. So yeah, interesting. We'll see. 5 minutes left of this candle. So as the time goes on in this candle here, guys, as the time goes on, the probability of this trade working decreases because there's less time for it to do what I want it to do, which was, Dr. Dollar, why wouldn't you enter on the flip on this one? Because the flip of the candle for me is still too high up. To give me that extra confirmation would be exceeding the low, and also the stop isn't too bad on exceeding the low. It's still 9 pips. I'd rather have that extra confirmation. If I got in the flip, it would only be if the stop was too big on this. So if this exceeding the low was like 15 pips or 13, 14 pips, then I'd use the flip. But I'd rather get in on the low. You friends with Todd Capital? I don't really know Todd Capital, to be honest. So, not friends, but I'm assuming he's a nice guy. But I don't really know him. Do, 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 19 minutes left for the 30-minute. 4 minutes 23 for the 15. Yeah, looks like gold cannot continue over here. And GA, oh, that was nice as well. Right at rejection levels. Pretty nice price action on GA today, not gonna lie. Wish I could say the same for GJ. So now, let's go through the probabilities again. We're exceeding the highs of the current again, very, very soon. The 5-minute candles are closing back in the zone. There is 3 minutes left of this 15, okay? Is that enough time to flip, continue and push just like we expected? Probably not. It's probably more likely that this 15 minutes is going to close back above and give you a fake out. So for me, I'm going to be deleting my sell stops right now. Yes, sir. And this is the discipline, man. Waiting for the top wick. So people who got in over here and exceeding the low straight away, this is an example of where it does not work. And this is why I don't take the impulses mainly if they don't have a top wick, because the fact that I know it doesn't have a good win rate. Okay. So let me just put this on here. Beautiful. And there we go. So 2 minutes 53 left. The probability that we flip this candle now is very, very low. Okay. So you got to manage it. If you're in a trade, you got to think, shit, how am I going to hold this on? Am I basing it on the 30-minute? So your stops are, if you got it on the flip, 17 pips up here, give you a bit more room. But for me, and the way I trade, I wanted that nice drive down with the volume, and it did not. But really, really good examples twice today of waiting for the lower wicks to give you the rejection of certain zones, and if it wants to flip up and get the drive, you're going to get the push. If it does not, then you're going to avoid a fake out, and that's exactly what you've done. That's why I wait for the top wick. It really does help with stuff like that. And there we go.
Max,
Yeah?
surely if this is happening consistently, shouldn't we do it the other way, like put the money to go against it? Because it's happening more consistently going downwards than it is upwards.
What do you mean? What are you saying? You wanted to take a buy there?
The last 10 days, what I'm saying is, right, we've been waiting for it to drop the wick and then get back up, right? Well, it's not been doing it. Why don't we just put the money against it so it goes with us?
Well,
like,
yeah,
you know?
but that's changing. That's changing something for only 10 days out of 252. Is it really worth it? You know what I mean?
All right, I'm counting, man. I'm counting.
I know. But it is true though, because that's a good point. You could go, well, you know, if you don't make the top, we can continue up. Then why can't we take buys? But it's, you know, this doesn't happen all year. It happens a very short period of time where price is just ass.
Cool. I believe you, man.
So 30-minute over here, 16 minutes left. 30 minutes still valid, but for me, that 15 closing back above is a bit of a no-no over here. Closing back in the range, and it can range for the next 4 hours. Waiting on the wick is a game changer. Would have been 2 losses for me this time last year. Exactly, Brandon. Yeah, getting in too early, trying to be impulsive, trying to be a bit more aggressive with the entries, but sometimes like this, you'd have got slapped twice there. So GJ isn't supposed to move straight down this time, as only 1 hour left for the 4-hour candle close. If the 4-hour close nice bearish, then a higher chance. Yep, but it's still a good option, man. I think if this candle here made the top wick, rejected this area and flipped, we would have been in a nice trade, but unfortunately did not do this, so let me just delete that. Oh. If you go back on my live streams for the past since September, you'll see me taking 50,000 million of them trades. So there we go. 15.
Max, I've got a question.
Yeah.
Sorry. In this kind of setup where it's a bit strange because obviously we've got that sort of ranging area, and it's like an upwards range, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then it comes down. Have you ever? I've never looked at it, but have you ever looked at it and saw that sometimes it does actually just do like a really deep pullback?
Yeah.
So rather than just pull back to here, it will pull back to the original breakout area.
Yeah,
and then come back down again.
Yeah, potentially. It just takes a lot more time for sure, but you'd have to just wait for another 15. Yeah, I've seen that happen quite a lot.
Especially when the 1 hour has also got deeper pullback as well.
Yeah.
Because it's been spent so much time up in this shit range that it almost needs, like, as you say, like the stop loss is too big.
Yeah.
And I know if it closed back below, you take that, which is basically what it might do. It's just something I've looked at recently. When it does this,
yeah,
it makes sense because the last breakout was the same level as the main breakout.
Yeah, for sure. Because if this 15 then closed back, like now, then the 30-minute would be probably weak bullish, but it would be below the zone, and also the hourly would be flipping. So it would kind of make sense, yeah. But may have to wait a bit longer for that. I thought there, Alex, you were gonna go right now. We've rejected. Let's just take a buy. Like, go back in the zone like this. We're getting in the lows.
Oh no! It's bad that you think that of me.
I'm joking. Nah, it's good because you're always looking at setups in different lights. You know, not just thinking about sells. How could buys be? But also, you know, it's 9:15, 9:30. I mean, I only stick to not taking trades in this area unless it's a really good setup. Where's the 4 hour in the daily? We're still right at the fucking 4 hour in the daily, man. So, yeah. I think that was a nice opportunity. But yeah.
Sorry, I'm just. I think that, like you said, it's just probability, isn't it? But
yeah,
it's also a case of like, what can you not explain the times where it doesn't work? Like, is there surely not a reason for that as well?
Well, clearly, price just likes this zone. You know, clearly I had a bit more of a volume kick to push down, but realize they just like this zone so much. Comes back up, and it's just happy in here. You know, to us, to traders, a ranging zone is a zone that's annoying and painful. But to a ranging zone, to people who actually buy, you know, pounds in big quantities, is good because they've got a nice, easy price. And they would probably say it's 155. That's why can you see it's reacted right at 155. Because institutions don't want to say 155, 284. No, they're going to say whole numbers, aren't they? So it makes it simple. And also with the news coming tomorrow, you know, it's going to be just ranging until that comes out, because they want to know. Probably people wouldn't be buying pounds right now because they want to see what this interest rate does. Because if they buy it now, and you know, price fucking plummets tomorrow, then they're going to have a shit deal, aren't they? So that's why it ranges just before. But that looked nice. I was happy with that. But apart from that, oh, gold of the 15. That's spontaneous, exceeding the high of the 30 over here. Stop loss will be 17 pips. This is gonna go, you know. Not enough time. Maybe I have to paper trade this over here. There you go. So let's just paper trade this over here. I didn't have enough time to react it because we're looking at GJ, but that's probably what I want to do. Exceeding the high of the previous 30, you got a nice 15. I mean, the 15 is a bit mad, but look at the 5 minute. Very, very strong candle. Coming back into this zone. How would you manage risk? Probably coming back to 1799.1. I'd probably put close 50% off. Coming towards the daily flip now. It's exceeded the high of the previous hourly. Yeah, that was nice. Fuck! Let's take a look though. Still got a little bit more time. So if you closed 50% at this flip, that's at 10 pips, and the rest at 16. That's alright. You could maybe put your full stop on here now. You wouldn't really want this counter to flip back, would you? So you'd be up around about 3 pips profit. Just take a look and see if it would work over here. Gold 30-minute celery, yeah. Too late now. We'll see though. Answer my question marks. Is it possible to become funded trader using this strategy? Yes, a lot of people have been funded in my mentorship. At the moment, it's very, very hard to pass a funded because there's fuck all trades going on. However, in the long run, for sure. Take a look at the 5 minute now. Yeah, this is looking nice. To continue up over here. Oh no. Ah, that was a shame. Oh well, we'll see how far this can go over here. So coming to around about 6 pips profit, looking nice. Take a look to the 15 over here. Should fill this zone up. 1802. Coming towards some support areas, like maybe this area with these wicks. Maybe stop us to break even at that time would have been a thing. Or maybe let's just see. I'm going to see how far you can run this. Give it a bit more breathing room, we'll see. I took gold in the 15 minute. Oh wow. The 15 minute, what was the entry for it? I couldn't really see the 15 minute. I could see it on the 30, exceeding the high, celery play. But apart from that, I couldn't really see it over here. Got 5 minute. Do dirty. Fucking 1801. Go quick. Fib short. Fib short. GJ. Let's take a look. 30 minute has got 8 minutes left. The hourly looking okay. Still hasn't exceeded the high of the previous, so it's still reasonable. Just this 15 minutes. I'd probably wait for this 15 to close over here in 8 minutes time. So it looks like it could have came back into drawdown over here. Look at the 5 minute. We shall see if it continues. GA came back down to a certain level of support, 189.785. Good stuff. Might sound silly, but how come at the place where you change money for holiday, why is countries not Wait, it might sound silly, but how come at the place where you change money for holiday, why does currencies not move every second like that? Because they're making money off you by giving you shit rates. So when you go on holiday, normally now you have to get a card, which is good. So like if you're in the UK, sterling, if you just pay with your sterling, the exchange rate on the actual sterling card is what it should be. Those exchange currency things rip your asshole apart. Ooh, 7 minutes time for this GJ over here. How much would stops be exceeding this low over here? 12 pips. Take a look at the 30, flipping. 6 minutes left. Is this worth it? 12 pips.
Is that on the 30 flip?
Yeah.
The current high? Yeah.
I think it's worth it. I'm going to get into it. So beautiful. Sort of more of an impulsive, but we have rejected it now, which is what I like. So I'm in the trade now over here. Right. Beautiful. So the 50-minute over here, that was a big rejection. I feel like in the next 5 minutes we may miss this trade, so that's why I'm getting it a bit earlier. 30 minutes, got 5 minutes left. Should be good to continue down now. Look at the hourly. Flip the hourly. 760 would be a nice target over here. Let's take a look on the 15. Yeah, nice. Big rejection. Yep, exactly. And it's based on the hourly, and actually the stop isn't that bad. It's actually like 10 pips, 12 pips. So it's worth it over here. Beautiful. Beautiful.
5 minute close below.
There we go. Yeah, look at them 5 minutes, man. 760 inbound. Check DMs, take a look. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's looking good now. There we go. That rejection was fire. Fucking hell, Dr. Dollar, I bet you were shitting yourself there with that fucking hourly pulling up there. Damn, that was good and rejected. So let's take a look on the 30-minute now. If my chart loads, exceeding the lows, pretty good. This is what I wanted to do. It's done it a bit later on in the candle, but goody, goody, goody. So 50 minutes close back below, just like what Alex talked about. Well, it should close back below in the next 3 minutes or so.
I'm going to keep an eye on that just for that deeper retest to give me confidence for the sales to still be there.
Yeah, sure, for sure. And the hourly has a lot of time left, which is good. Which is very, very nice. Stop loss soon, no worries, shitty trade. Ah, yes. Well, I think it's a really good idea. Nice hourly rejection of the highs, coming back below. Just needs a nice little push over here and we should get it. So it looks like
whack stop loss to break even, Max.
Huh?
Sorry.
So for
in
me,
terms of stop loss to break even.
For me, it'd probably be right around these areas, like 7 pips, I think. Towards these wicks there, so like 949, I think. So exceeding the lows now. Come on, get a nice little drive down towards this, which should be good. Nice. The 30-minute looks good now. So now what you're going to think over here is, should you potentially hold this trade on till 25 pips, or do you want to close at 10? This is all down to you. I think for me, I may see how much of this pushes, because we've rejected it so hard, we should come back down to these lows. So we'll see over here. Come on, GJ, bring a bit of volume in before we leave, boy! Push it, push it. Are you paper trading? No, I'm in this. So let's think about how to manage this trade then, as we come down over here. So, let's take a look at the 15-minute and the 5 minutes over here. This 15-minute flip, what would that be at over here? At 9 pips. Probably close 50% off of this high at 100. It's actually closing. Oh shit! It's actually closing in 40 seconds. I waited for the 15 and 30-minute close, then enter if I get a top wick and either flip or break of the low. Nice. Wicked stuff. You still in gold? No? Well, this is paper trade. The gold was a paper trade. Looks like you still would be in it, potentially. 30 minutes closing above now. Come on, GJ. Start stinking down, boy. Do, 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 do. Come on, JJ. No top wicks now. You haven't given me any all month. No top wicks now. Just fucking launch. Yeah, it's good now. I'm happy with this anyway. So stuff for me was already at let's take a look over here. Yeah, 12 pips, so it's still reasonable. Max, when we are in GJ, it doesn't move. When we are not, it moves 50 pips. Yes! Oh, fucking hurry up, GJ. Holy shit. I want to go get some fucking food, man. I'm starving. Yep, it's beautiful. Just needs to take its time over here.
So you're expecting volume to push past that that minor 15-minute and 30-minute support.
Yeah, especially with this 15 closer like that. Yeah, for sure. For sure. And stop loss to break even at 956 would be the area. So Goldie closed over here. Above. So you'd probably still be in this trade. How much drawdown would you have taken if you were still in this over here? 5 pips is nothing. That 5 minute actually looks nice, fuck. But the 15 minute, if you got in now, yeah, still reasonable. Ted also said to me that the 9 o'clock levels with gold are normally a lot easier to trade compared to 8 o'clock on gold. He says he likes 9 AM a bit better. So gotta just wait for this top wick over here, and then we should be Gucci. If not, I'm gonna show you how to manage it over here.
Where's your entry, Max? I missed it. I was making dinner.
017. 016, yeah. I mean, if you want to get in now, I mean, probably when if this candle flips, would be another entry, I think. Just making the top wick over here. You slow. I want a good bottom wick and I might take it. Yeah, gold looks nice, man. Especially with that 5 minute there, with the 50-minute closing above. That was probably enough to enter, to be honest, there. With stop loss below the previous 15. I am on buys because of the 1 hour chart. Is that because is that on gold, GJ, GU, AU? I don't know. You tell me, you tell me. So here we go now, getting the flip over here. Finish him. Down. Do. Gold's still continuing up over here. If you didn't enter on your entry, would you take it on the flip or the break of its lows? I'd probably get it now, to be honest. On the flip. Your stops would be a bit bigger though, wouldn't they? So taking a look at the 30 now, 30 is looking nice. Just needs that little push over here to get it down. Tired of GJ. If this was December, this candle here would be there now. Come on, break the low, you pussy. Over 4 pips. Yeah, that's pretty decent. Yeah, you could have your stops there on the high. Now, if you wanted, for sure. 9 minutes left. Because price is moving pretty slow, I'll probably close a lot of it at 10 pips, to be honest. We'll see if you get the drive. There we go. Beautiful. So now over here, 6 pips profit. For me, it's coming towards a potential rejection zone. Stop loss to break even. And beautiful. Should continue down over here. Don't want to be in this trade if it rejects there. So should get a nice little push. If it doesn't, then tough shit. Yeah, if you want to give it a bit more room and not a break even yet, then you can have your stop there. But for me, it's a break even trade. Risk free. Let's take a look at gold. Did gold continue? Oh, it's still chilling.
I think I might put mine at the current 50-minute high. Take a tiny loss.
Yeah, it's reasonable. Yeah, that's true. There, nut down, you pussy! Nut it! 765 would be nice. Let's just put some TPs on over here. If it actually hits TP1, the probability that continues further could be pretty nice. I might hold this on to 762, why not? Shit. There we go. filling this wick up over here. Beautiful. So risk-free trade. Risk is off the table now, especially with GJ acting like this. I wouldn't want to be holding this in a loss anymore. So yeah, let's take a look on the 30 now. Yeah. So who is this kid? Let me just out this guy. Where the fuck was he? Where is he? Wakash Shami, suck my nuts. Your fucking name is Whack, that's what it is. Beautiful. Okay, nice. A lot of momentum coming over here. Oh, should I hold this motherfucker on or just get a nice win for the week? I might just get a nice win for the week at 10 pips, 12 pips, something like that.
It's looking nice to run.
Do you think? Yeah. Fuck it, let's just... I'm gonna...
Hold it. This is a ghost. Hold it.
It's like 820, 837.
Come on.
Shut your gob, ghost. Sorry, move my AT. Yeah, there we go. TP2 there.
That's where I've got my TP1 from the current 15. It's looking good. It's looking good.
Yeah. If you're on, yeah, it's all about your comfort levels, you know. It is at this little level, it could reject, it could be a pain in the ass, so whatever you feel, man. I think with the higher time frames and the hourlies, we should get a nice drive down now. It's taking so long. We should get a nice little push over here. There we go. TP1 hit over here, guys. Beautiful work, man. We are patient today. Holy fuck. So that's really, really good work. I'm very, very happy with that. So now we've exceeded these lows of the wicks as well, so it should continue down at 836 over here. Really, really good.
Pussy, I took it all off.
That's good, that's good.
I'm taking a win.
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful work over here.
I'm at 8 pips now.
I'm at 11.
Oh, rebel.
Beautiful, beautiful work. That's good though. Good for a first win for the month. One trade, one win for it over here. Coming towards this level over here. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful work. Let me just record these W's over here.
Oh, Finn missed it.
I was just gonna say.
Oh my fucking god!
Nice. Congrats, lads. I've got to go. See you for New York.
See you for New York, my boy. Yeah, boy.
Nice win.
Alright, let's take a look at the
Hope you get
5.
100 pips.
I hope this fucking starts to nut now. If it exceeds this low here, I'm going to move my stop on that 5 minute, I think. I think I'd be pissed off if I got a break even as well, so just managing it. Yeah, I'm going to look on the 1 minute. I'm going to put my stop there. Right, at 10 pips. I'm fucking happy with that. Nah, if this 5 minutes starts pushing below and exceeding that low, it should be good, though. Let's take a look at what gold did. Oh, gold continued as well. Sheesh! So 2 entries.
Come on, GJ.
Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ! Get the next!
I'm at 9.3, 9.4.
12.5. I'm 12.5. Fuck, that's good. Nice work. There we go, man. Right, I'm gonna close at 12. Fuck it. Yeah, it's taking too long for me, but it looks pretty good though. Let's take a look over here. Closed now.
Still 2 minutes left there.
Yeah. Got a little runner, 20%. 2837.
I think I'm gonna do the same.
Yeah, man.
Here we go. Here we go.
The thing is, there is a support at 0.89 on the 30-minute and the 1 hour, isn't there? Sorry, I just jumped back in.
Where, sorry, Alex?
On the 30-minute and the 1 hour time frame.
895.
Yeah.
Which is
At
what we're
12
at
pips.
Yeah.
So that's why I took mine off.
Yeah, that's a good point. Beautiful, man. So happened later on over here. It's 9:43. Should be coming down to 836 now. Beautiful, beautiful work. I've closed 80% here at right around 12 pips, and now I've got a little runner running to 836.
There we go. There we go.
Come on, come on, finish the stream off over here. Finish the stream off. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Beautiful, man. I'm at 14 pips now. Yeah, when Finn leaves, you get a dub. Oh man, Finn! Fuck's sake! Oh, Finn!
It's horrible, man.
Literally, like, oh my god.
Yeah, I was in two position. The second one right here.
Oh, you took a position there?
Yeah, but stopped out at break even for that.
For that top wick there. That's a shit.
Yeah. Yeah. Check the 5 minute.
But you knew the top wick was going to be made, my brother.
Yeah, I got stopped out there.
Yeah, that's a bit of a fucker. Hey ho, hey ho. So coming to round
Trying to go to break even for the
I
challenge.
just want 15 pips.
Jesus fuck, Max! I got in so late. I got in so fucking late. I was like, yo, I've missed it. Anyway, I wrote it out. I got 10 pips.
Good lad.
I've broken a no. I've lost 9 trades in a row. Yeah, obviously, like I've got good risk management because I haven't blown an account, but it's like I've been raging for like a week and a half. Finn just messaged me, called me. I said, just hang up the phone. You don't want to know. Don't do that to yourself. You don't want to know.
That's hilarious.
Oh, that's so fucking good. Yes! Yes!
Yes, finally. The chance kid. That was nice, though. It took its time, but finally played out nicely. So congratulations to that Wax kid. Yeah, you're fucking whack. And yeah, beautiful trade. Make sure to go back and look at the recap if you didn't get it. But yeah, came up over here. I wanted this happening in this candle. Did not close back above. Wait for a closure back below. And then there you go. So beautiful. Should come down now to 836 over here. There you go. TP2 hit. TP3 should be at 758. And there you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. GJ been buffering, now we fly in. Yeah, man. Beautiful work. Very, very nice. New month, new GJ, yeah. So we start off this month over here. We were patient for the first 2 days, and then we just got a beautiful trade there. Took it off at 12 pips, and then the runner at, I think it was it 20? Not 20, 18 or 17. Yeah. So beautiful.
Also, that I think the candle that you took the flip on closed below 155, I took the next flip.
Yeah.
So yeah, closed below the one.
And did you have stop there?
No, but I got in on the correct.
Ah, okay.
I got on the flip candle, right?
Yeah.
The one after yours.
Yeah, nice, man. So beautiful.
So that's why I use those quarter points quite a lot.
Yeah. I mean, and look, coming towards the 750 devil level, we should.
Yeah, is Jason? Yeah. He shits himself at that level. I'm used to it, but he shits himself.
Yeah. Nah, that was good, man. It was good. Take a look at the hourly. It's exactly what I wanted it to do. But yeah, I mean, that was really good as well when we came back up, because then Alex went, what if it closes back below again? I go, yeah, it's reasonable, because then the 30 will be flipping and then the hourly will be flipping. It's exactly what it did. So if you guys learned a lot today, make sure you like the stream. Give it a like. It takes 10 seconds. Really helps me out. Do you think my second position was a good one? Yeah, Michael, here? Yeah, bro. That's what Brian did, yeah. Yeah, I think you maybe put stop loss to break even. Wait, did you take the trade? Did you have two positions?
Yeah, I take the trade, but I got a break even. I put the stop loss to break even too early.
Ah, but did you? But if you took two positions, didn't one of them run or not, or did both get stopped out?
No, just one.
Just one. Okay, fair. Yeah, no, that was a good entry. Yeah, with the top wick. Yeah, that was worth it.
Yeah, with the stop above the top wick.
Mate, I think genuinely, Michael, that's because of just confidence levels right now when price has been moving so shit for so long. You know, you didn't want to take a losing trade. But that's what I'm going to go. You know what I mean? It's good to get the confidence back. That's a good thing. You were right in the analysis. That's a W in your head. It's a W in the setup you're looking for. You just got to get past that confidence again, because it was, it's been hard recently. So yeah, beautiful work.
Yeah, January was very hard.
Yeah.
And I say I need to make a break even for this trade in January.
Yeah, exactly, man.
I need 0.8. I think I can do that.
Yeah, you can do that for sure. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. Thank you very much for liking the stream. 85 likes, wicked stuff. Hit TP1 and TP2, smashed it. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you to NY session. Thank you very much.
See you for NY.
See you later for NY. Yeah, peace out. See you later, guys. So see you later, YouTube. Thank you very much for coming on. Hope you had a really good time, and I'll see you later.